Okay guys, I just finished shooting my last video. It's really pretty here. There's so many different kinds of birds and you can hear all of them. Yeah, so let me know if you enjoy these kind of small videos, and if you do, I'll keep making them. And yeah, this was Bond Lake in Richmond Hill. It's definitely a nice place to come and check out. It's a short hike. You can probably do the entire trail in less than half an hour. But it's nice, and you know, you feel like you're actually here out in the nature, away from the city, and it's worth it. For the rest of you, see you guys next time. Bye.